Welcome to MyAIConsent. I'm going to show you how to create an AI twin of yourself in under 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, create your account. You can sign up with Google for instant access or use your email and password. I'll use Google Sign-In to save time. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard. This is where you manage all your AI twins. To create your first twin, click the Create New Twin button. Now give your twin a name and description. The name is what users will see, and the description helps define what your twin knows about. For example, let's create an AI twin that can support users on this platform. I'll call it MyAIConsent Support Expert and describe it as an AI trained on this platform's documentation, including user guide, troubleshooting guide, and FAQs. Click Continue to Payment to set up your subscription. Use coupon code EARLY100 for 20% off forever. You'll be taken to Stripe's secure checkout. Each twin costs $49 per month and includes 1,000 AI responses. Complete your payment and you'll be redirected to the setup page. Here's where the magic happens. Upload the files you want to train your AI twin on. You can upload PDFs, Word documents, text files, or Markdown files. Just drag and drop your files here or click to browse. I'm uploading my documentation, getting started guide and FAQs about this platform to create an AI twin that could support my users in getting started and troubleshoot issues. You can upload as many files as you need, up to 10 gigabytes. Once your files are uploaded, click Train Your AI Twin to start processing. AI Twin is now being trained on your content. This usually takes 2 to 5 minutes, depending on how much content you uploaded. The system is breaking down uploaded documents, creating embeddings, and building AI Twin's knowledge base. We can close this page safely and come back when it's ready. And we're done. Our AI twin is now ready. You can delete uploaded files or keep them on the platform. Note that training AI twin with new content overwrites previous content. You can see all uploaded files here. Customize the chat box colors to match your brand and set a custom welcome message. Let's test it out by clicking Start Chatting. Here's your AI twin in action. I'll ask it a question about how to create AI twin. Notice how it responds using the knowledge from the files we uploaded. The responses are accurate, contextual, and conversational. You can also add more control with editable system guidelines. And that's it. You've just created an AI twin that can handle customer support, answer questions, and share your expertise while you focus on other things. Get started today at MyAIConsent.app. Use code EARLY100 for 20% off forever. If you have any questions, email us at support@MyAIConsent.app.